Hi, this is KVR from Naresh IT, faculty member. In this video, I am talking about the complete path of a fresher, how to settle down in the Python domain. To settle down in the Python domain, they have to complete Frontend and Backend is equal to complete Python career. So in Frontend, we develop user interfaces. For example, when we are signing up as a new user in Gmail ID creation, we fill lot of details. That form what we are filling it up is developed by using UI technologies, that is called front-end application development. As a part of front-end application development, we train you on HTML, CSS to make you the HTML form as look and feel, and Bootstrap components we add it, and we also use JavaScript for client-side validations to do it. So this complete combo of UI technologies will make us expert in UI development. This UI developed data will be sent to the server-side programming. In server-side programming, we develop backend server-side processing logic. To develop this server-side processing logic, we use dynamic web frameworks like Django, Flask, and REST API. Using these kind of dynamic web frameworks, we collect form data which is coming from UI, and we will evaluate and we integrate with the database, and we do some different database operations, and we collect the data from database, and we do processing at server side, and we give result back to the front end, that is to the browser we give. This type of communication between browser, that is a client, to server side programming and interns integrating with the database can be done with complete UI and complete backend. This is also termed as front end plus backend is equal to complete Python career. Thank you.